Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and those of you that just want to know about a trade, welcome to Trade Theory. And yes, remember, I told you guys before, I'm still here. I'm just waiting on the Brexit because there's so much going on outside the Parliament. You should see the amount of European people who are there trying to contribute into the cause on making sure that we stay with the EU. But with that said, let's put that aside because in this video there are some new updates to the FX option in IQ option. I'm not sure if any other broker even has FX options, so IQ option is still number one. So what is new? Technical analysis. There's a tab in which is available on most popular currency pairs, and you can see whether the trade is a bullish one or a bearish one. Yes, and if there is a consolidation area, that means a ranging market where some traders might find difficulty entering and exiting the trade in perfect timing, because that's where the pro traders will excel better, far better than the retail trader. Therefore, when we see neutral, we don't trade. So let's exit out of that and I'll show you how you check that. So as soon as you open up your tab, we're going to go to FX option. Alright, so let's open one currency tab. We click on info, and then technical analysis will be there. Let's click on it. As you can see, the price is at 1.1269 at this moment, and the change was at 0.04%. And as you can see on the 1 minute chart, the summary is bullish. The moving averages, if you were to put an MA on this particular trade here, on this market, Euro against the CHF, you will notice that it's a strong bullish one. Fair enough. But when you click onto the 5 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, you can see it's starting to change. So on the 30-day period, so every month the trade is going downwards. So I'll tell you how to read it, right? This is your lucky day, guys. You're gonna learn how you're gonna understand how it's read. So let's imagine carefully on the 30-day chart. Let me see if I can open up Paint, right? Let me open up Paint so you know what I'm talking about, right? I'm going to say it like this and show it at the same time. We're going to open up Paint. Now, on the 30-day chart, let's just do it like this, right? And we're going to put red. Okay, on the 30-day chart, let's just say every month it's doing this. Alright? Every month is doing this. Don't worry about where's the candles and that. Let's just say every month is moving at this fashion. Alright? It's bearish. Now, on the weekly chart, so when you zoom in from this trade that I just drew this red line, I want to make sure you guys see what I'm talking about. From this trade, if you zoom in, let me get the text. If you zoom in, alright, let's just say by 5 times, yeah. Imagine we're zooming in. We're zooming into this trade. We're zooming into this trade by 5 times. Why is the text so tiny? Oh, I know why. It was my bad. Apologies. Let me just... I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, that is funny. Once you wrote it, it's stuck that way. Okay, I'm just gonna make this one bigger just for your sake. Just so you can see. I actually did that again. So sorry, I told you my laptop is laggy when, well, at sometimes, not all the time. But I don't understand. Why is it not letting me? Why is it not letting me write? Never mind. Anyway, as I was gonna say, my bad, guys. I want to show you, but this I can't make it bigger. I don't use Paint. I use Photoshop. Whatever I can do. All right. From this trade, when you zoom in and you're looking at the weekly chart, sorry, on the weekly chart, you can see it change from that to this. All right. It's not going down, but it is still going down, but ever so slightly on the weekly chart. And if you zoom in from this one, if you zoom in from this one into the daily chart, now on the daily chart, you will see that it's neutral. So you're just gonna see a straight line. Now, so you guys are saying, so what's going on? So when you're zoomed into this fashion, you can see that the trade is on a standstill, on consolidation area. All right, it's the ranging market. It doesn't matter. It's almost even, but not even. But you ain't going nowhere. That's what it's trying to say on the daily chart. So every day is moving at this pace. Every week is moving down at this pace. Every month is going down. Do you understand now? So what does that mean? So if you zoom in to every 5 minutes, so that means we can only trade every 5 minutes. Why? Because every 5 minutes it's doing this. Every 5 minutes is doing this, alright? But when you zoom out of this one, you're going to notice that in the daily chart, it's moving at this pace. Sorry about that. It's moving at this pace. So it's moving at this pace, and every week is going down, and every month is going down strongly. So for a forex trader, they will start the trade and get out of the trade next month. Do you see what I'm trying to say, guys? They'll put their money here, and if their observation were correct, they will leave the trade for 1 month, and after 1 month, they should see them hitting their target if they have a target. You know what I'm trying to say? But if someone were to trade on a weekly basis on Forex, they will be getting less profit. They'll be getting less profit. Dude, they'll be getting at least 0.1% profit every week. That is, you don't even want to know. 0.1 to at least maximum 10%. That's the max. If they're lucky, 10%. That's crazy. So that's why I said to myself, let me go back to the trade. That's why they added technical analysis for those retail traders who are finding it hard to figure out what is going on every minute, every hour, every day, and every week of the trade, which will help them trade monthly if they want to trade monthly. Okay, before I go, I wanted to show you the 3 print screen which will show you in detail of what I'm trying to show you in Paint. Okay, because for some people they will complain saying that's not clear enough. Therefore, I decided to show you on the print screen so you guys can see what I'm talking about. As you can see on the trade, this is what you call a ranging market. Well, my definition of a ranging market. Obviously, it can look different, smaller, bigger, it doesn't really matter. But what does matter is that the trade goes up. You can see it. It goes up, blue. It went down, red, and back up, blue. Okay? It looked like a letter N, as you can see there. This is what I'm talking about. It means if you are a professional trader and you can see that profit can be made in the market on this particular trade, you will enter a put option, leave at your targeted point, and then enter again on a call to gain that cheeky profit and leave. But if you can see on the side that you cannot enter the trade, and you can see no profit is being made. This is no different to a consolidation area. Okay, the second print screen is what a definition of my definition of the consolidation area. It means, let's just say, flatline. I'm going to say flatline. For those people that don't know what consolidation area is, I'm going to say flatline, stalemate, not going nowhere. Your car stopped, jammed, you can't move, you're not going nowhere, stationary, you name it. What it means is that it ain't going nowhere. The trade is just staying in the middle. Even if you enter, you ain't getting nothing. You ain't getting nothing. You are going to lose. I don't care who you are, you're going to lose. Alright? But if you are trading long term, this is no issue. Okay? But if you're doing short term trading, day trading, believe me, this is an issue. And finally, on print screen number 3 is what I tried to show you on the technical analysis. So remember, on the technical analysis, I clicked on the monthly chart and it shows a bearish one. I keep doing that. A strong bearish downtrend. Yes, it means it's red, it's going down. Remember that in the beginning? That's what this last print screen here is showing you. It's showing you that it's going down, but not that much. Remember how I drew exactly? We didn't even see this yet. We didn't even see the trade, and I drew exactly the line, exactly how it looked right here. You see how crazy that is? See how scary that is? I worked so hard to learn all of this BS so that you guys don't have to. So you guys can win trade and live your life. Alright? But it comes with stress. Like, if you see me, I look like I don't sleep. Alright? That's how much work I put into this. So guys, with that said, and if you guys are curious to see where we are, you sure you drew exactly the same? Head back to the beginning of the video and see how I drew the line. I just want you guys, I'm just putting that out there for you guys who are skeptical. So guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Those who are subscribed and waiting for the real money trades, of course, don't worry. That is coming real soon. From next week, after this Brexit issue, all of this, it's all mad. It's just madness to me. As soon as it's all done and out of the way, what I want to do is practice trades and real money trades. People ask for real money trades, and that's what they will get. And if you like that idea of just real money trades, drop a like and subscribe and tell me in the comments, or else I won't know. Thank you guys for tuning in, and remember, I cannot stress this enough. Think calm, trade smart, and see you later.